Today we will discuss selecting talk groups from an Icom IP100H radio. The IP100H is a license-free IP radio for wireless networks. This allows the device to function as a conventional two-way radio, but connect through a wireless internet connection, giving the radio extended coverage through your company's computer network. When this is properly connected via the VE-PG4, you can use this radio to bridge to other systems in the network, regardless of the band. To get to the talk groups, first press the address book button on the front of the WLAN radio to select the appropriate talk group. Then, use the up and down arrow buttons until the desired talk group appears. Finally, press the Push to Talk button to speak to the talk group. Now you should be connected to the talk group you selected. Talk groups are assigned when programming the VE-PG4 within Icom's LTE-Connect network. It is important to note that the programming phase allows you to select specific features, like assigning talk groups, naming individual ID assignments, and limiting the number of calls to the VE-PG4 from the LTE side. Learn more about Icom's extensive network by visiting our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893.